DeVilbiss is excited to announce that we are experiencing healthy inventory levels for our 5 and 10-liter stationary oxygen concentrators. Over the past year, the pandemic has had a detrimental impact on supply chains around the world. In response, Drive has been working tirelessly to find new solutions to support your business during these unprecedented times. Our dedicated employees are ultimately what make this all possible. The staff at the DeVilbiss manufacturing plant in Somerset, Pennsylvania, have been working around the clock to ensure you have the equipment you need to continue servicing your patients. We are proud to say that our concentrators are built in the USA. By assembling our products in our on-site facility in Pennsylvania, we can better control production and quality standards, allowing us to provide a more reliable unit. Dependability and reliability are of the utmost importance to us. With Drive, you can have confidence knowing our engineering team has countless years of experience building and testing our concentrators. Our engineers continually strive to improve our products. Some recent improvements include increased sieve bed size to improve oxygen purity, upgraded compressor cup seal material to extend the time between scheduled maintenance, thus increasing compressor life. These changes, coupled with our increased cooling fan size, have reduced internal operating temperature by 16 degrees. Now is the time to act. Though you may currently have stock now, don't wait until it's too late to ensure you're prepared for another unpredicted supply shortage. For more information or to place an order, reach out to your local sales rep or call our customer service team today.